What is up? It's your boy, Ronnie Drew. On this edition, we're gonna help Tony get his toe hitch fixed.
Alright, thank you. Ronnie Drew.
What are you doing, Bob?
Putting the old trailer brakes on the old Stallion.
Wow.
Went from a 4-prong to a 7-prong, Bob.
Show him what you did, Bob. Let's show him what you did, Bob. Tell them on YouTube what you did.
So Ford is some stupid mother.
Oh my God, watch your language. Now I gotta cut that out.
They plug in the trailer brakes to the back of this box right here. So you gotta search all day and night trying to find the stupid box.
This is so clear.
Box off, the trailer brakes are just hanging in there. Feed them down. Go buy yourself a controller, plug her in, find the end of the wire, run them back, plug it into the 7-prong, you're good to go, bub.
Yeah, that's right, bub. Old car trailer down there.
That's right, bub. I mean, I towed out the brakes, but
we gotta go pick up the jet later on.
That's right.
Stuck in Virginia. But yeah. If you got any questions, man, just comment on below, you know.
Done.
Tony will be glad to help you out. He doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know what he's doing, guys. I'm gonna cut this and see if we can set the brake control in it. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, but we'll be back.
End of it, that run, I can run it back to the back of the truck. If I get, do you guys know where that might be on a 2014 F150?
So now they say it's somewhere under the spare tire there. Tony's truck is broke and the tire won't drop. That's Tony is gonna figure it out because he's the man. That would look so funny if that tire, your spare tire, was on your truck with these big tires. It'd probably be leaning sideways.
Ultimate workout, right?
Oh my God.
That shouldn't be
That's not good, bro. That's not good at all. You need to lock that down. It's this right here. This bolt needs to be tightened.
This one's almost out.
This one right here definitely needs to be tightened though.
This one almost fell out.
It's all that off-road, man.
Good thing I checked that. I was wondering why my hitch was looking a little crooked.
There we go. Tony. We'll be back. Yo, it's your boy Ronnie Drew.
Bro,
We gotta go pick up my girl's car. Cause she don't have to drive. She had a paint bucket. With the old Stallion. Yeah.
I guess it's good.